There's faith in my world. It comes back to your teaching and all your words. From your life I have learned to be passionate and caring at every turn. The reason I'm strong, you where I belong. In the world spinning out of control. The reason for my pride, yeah, you are my guide. And I will always follow your way, your way, your way. Alaika salamullah, oh Muhammad. Peace and blessing on you every day. Alaika salamullah, oh Muhammad. You inspire me in every way. I promise that wherever I go, whenever I pray, I'll be sending your praise with the words that I say. Rasulullah, oh Muhammad. Peace and blessing on you every day. There's light in my heart. Help me find my way back when I've gone too far. And when my anger makes me blind, I remember your mercy for all mankind. The reason I forgive as long as I live in the world spinning out of control. The reason I love, I'll never give up. And I will always follow your way, your way, your way. Alaika salamullah, oh Muhammad. Peace and blessing on you every day. Alaika salamullah, oh Muhammad. You inspire me in every way. I promise that wherever I go, whenever I pray, I'll be sending your praise with the words that I say. Rasulullah, oh Muhammad. Peace and blessing on you every day. I know the only thing I want from this life, and it's to follow all your footsteps to paradise. So that's the way I'm gonna spend all my time. Yes, I swear, by Allah I swear. Alaika salamullah, oh Muhammad. Peace and blessing on you every day. Alaika salamullah, oh Muhammad. You inspire me in every way.